Hey guys, it's Jordan. I'm the maker and content creator here, and I'm standing in our new shop. I'm so excited about this. I want to take you around, I'll give you a quick tour, and show you what I'm thinking. Let's get going.
Popping on a west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face.
It's Christmas morning. Well, it's not actually Christmas morning. It is really snowy though. I have a plan. I know it's wrong. It's one of those shop things where you know your first iteration is not going to be optimal or right or whatever. And I'm going to make a million mistakes in this process. And I'm sitting in my car and it's cold. So let's go inside. Ooh, it worked. This is the office. It's dark right now, so. Whew. We're gonna make this thing pop. It's gonna be fun. We'll make this an edit room and we'll shut the door. We'll block it on the windows so he doesn't know what time it is. This is it. This is the shop. We're gonna build it out. It's gonna be sweet. This big garage door, huge fan. Let's go check out the mezzanine. Okay, let there be light. Ow. I think we're gonna make this a studio, maybe for podcasting, maybe for more photography, who knows. And then this part, right down to the shop floor. So the heat's not kicking on. It is, get ready for this, 46 degrees. I don't know if you can see it or not. There it is. Trials and tribulations, you know, we'll be fine. I'm gonna tape things up. I've got my tape ready to get things going. I'm gonna measure stuff out. I want to kind of make an area over here that is where we'll do a lot of our pouring of stuff. And then on kind of this side, I think wood shop kind of vibes. It's not the hugest, is that a word? It's not the biggest place in the world. We're gonna figure this out. This is gonna be sweet. Checking in, it's been a little less than an hour. This is the door into the shop. Yeah, you come inside, and then first thing I have like a staging table. I've just kind of spec'd out just a storage rack. All of the products from all of our brands and families and stuff. Here's where I want to be able to pull something off the shelf and then take it over to the work table. Speaking of work table, the distance between the staging table and this table, that's for you, Eric. That's for our camera guy. This middle section right here, either side of this, these two things, these are storage cabinets, like shop storage cabinets that I'm gonna build. Going along, there will be a wall. And that also gives me storage on this plane. So that's it so far. I got a lot more to do. This is just the taping process. This isn't even us building it out. And I'm now like terrified of all the work that I gotta get done just to get this thing functional. I'm gonna try to maybe quickly rough out some of the more of this kind of wet decorative side over here. And then I'm gonna move on to kind of the workshop, wood shop side here pretty quick. Another status report. I don't want to speak too soon, but I think I'm in a good spot. Yeah. Actually want your thoughts and your feedback. That's a text message guaranteed from Kaiten. Let me tour us around real quick and you tell me what you think. We've gone over some of this already, including the dividers and stuff. I added rolly carts. These might be like, you know, your standard cabinets or whatever. A couple shelves, maybe I'll put like a pegboard or something up there. It'd be nice to be able to take that cart, put it next to the work table and get some stuff done. This is my idea for pressure pot and vacuum station. I can go right over here and get all my pressure pots and all that stuff. Okay, so I did a lot more work on the workshop side. I think we're gonna make this the sanding area. I'm a little nervous about things going over. I'll probably have to get tools that have good dust extraction. That's my terrible attempt, really quick, at what looks like a bandsaw, or maybe a drill press makes more sense in the corner. But that would be like my miter saw station. The actual maybe wood storage or lumber storage up there if possible. This is an air compressor. There's a big one I think that they're sending me. I gotta find a space for that. Small kind of filming workshop table, and another foot marker here because this is where I think I'm gonna put my table saw if we do big projects and stuff. And I think I've added enough space for an outfeed table, or at least a somewhat outfeed table. Hopefully that's gonna be a good start. I wanna get started on the office. That's what they're going to care about probably the most. Office is done. Well, ish. I honestly feel like I've uncovered more problems. Part of the process, we knew this would be the case. Let me take you around. Little storage cabinet kind of vibe. There's gonna be office supplies we'll need. Maybe a printer needs to go there. This makes sense to me, especially because we got this weird wall here. Just come from the shop, hit it right there, no problem. Desk space for Taylor, our communication, social media extraordinaire. Caton's at, which he's got a standing height desk. I know it's not the greatest, Taylor, to be facing, or your back facing the door. I'm sorry, is what it is. This is what I'm probably gonna make like a pegboard wall and put shelves on there. And then we're just gonna put things that we've made on there and show people what's possible. Because that's the point, to inspire people to do some cool stuff. This long thing on the ground, and I actually taped it up to the ceiling. Some type of wood slats kind of running along there. Over here, switching sides, that's the counter. My guess is mini fridge vibe, you know, paper products, paper towel, toilet paper, coffee, all that type of stuff. This is my problem. I'm trying to figure out how to get some comfortable guest seating. Us millennials, easy boomers, but us millennials like to change it up. We like to go over here, work on the couch, you know, cup of coffee, sip, enjoy it. And it takes up a lot of this entryway space. I would have loved to have gotten a couch and a chair here. I just don't know if it's in the cards. That's where we're staying right now. Is it done? No. Is it perfect? No. Will I change it up? Yeah, probably. But I want to know what you guys think. Should I have gone about this differently? I have no idea. But I'm gonna make all this stuff. That's the other thing too. I'm gonna try making that. I've never made a cabinet thing to hold a fridge before. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm not gonna make a couch, or am I? Hope this has been fun. I hope you'd enjoyed it. I've enjoyed this. This is, like I said at the beginning, like Christmas morning to me. Also terrifying, right? You ever take on a really big project and you just go, what have I done? I'm so excited, but what have I gotten myself into? We'll see. Bumps along the way, fun stuff along the way. I'm in for all of it.